What's your name?
My name is Flash.
What is your English name? English name is? What is your name again? John?
Yes.
Can you say, my name is John. My?
My name is John.
Oh, John, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. Okay. Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you feeling cold?
No.
No. Are you hungry?
No.
No. Wow. What food do you like?
I like chicken.
Chicken. Good.
Yes.
And what about animals? Do you like cats or dinosaurs, monkeys?
It's cat.
Cats? Do you like cats? Okay, good. So John, let's start our speaking test. Speak loudly, okay?
Yes.
Ready? Here's the picture, and then tell me, how's the weather? The weather is?
It's the sun.
How's the weather? I know this is a sun, but how is the weather? The weather is?
The weather is
Sunny.
sunny.
Very good, John. Sunny. Now tell me, what is this?
This is my coconut tree.
This is a coconut tree.
This is a
Coconut.
coconut tree.
Coconut tree. Where is the coconut tree? Coconut tree is?
Is
Next to?
is the natural pool.
Pool. Next to the pool. Okay, how many chairs do you see? How many chairs do you see? There are?
There are
How many?
there are 2 trays.
Chairs. Chairs.
Chairs.
Good. And how many tables do you see? How many tables? There is.
There are
Oops. There is. How many tables? There is.
1 table.
Okay, is 1 table. Very good. Where is the table? Where is the table? Where? On, in, and between?
On
Where? Where is the table? Remember, we have on, in, at, between, in front of. Where is the table? Table is?
the 2 form of
Where is the table? Where?
table is the 2
Between
between
two
2 chairs.
2 chairs. Okay, where is the girl wearing the red t-shirt?
Yes.
Where? The girl is? Where is
Is in the pool.
Okay, in the pool. Good job. What is this?
Pool.
Ball, not bowl. Ball. Ball.
Bowl.
Next, what about this one? What is it? It's a
Is
towel. Towel.
towel.
Yes, not mat. It's a towel. And what animal is this? What animal?
Melon.
A cocomelon. Is that cocomelon? Huh?
Crocodile.
Crocodile? Oh my gosh, John! Maybe you're always watching Cocomelon, huh? This is crocodile. Say the word crocodile. Say crocodile. Crocodile.
Diamond.
Not diamond. Crocodile. Can you stop? I can't help. Alright, John, tell me what animal is it?
Crocodile.
John, what animal is it?
Is
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Yes.
Say it again. Crocodile.
Crocodile.
Yep. And what's the color of the crocodile?
Its color is green.
Green. And where is the crocodile?
Is next to the flower.
Very good. Okay, let's proceed to the next part. Here we have bigger picture.
Yes.
Yeah, here. And then we have small pictures, and you have to name all of these, okay?
Yes.
Are you ready? What is it? What are they? They are?
They are leaves.
How